Hi friends, welcome to today's video of SP-3D YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you the magic of a simple yet super useful tool, the tape dispenser. Get ready to see how this little gadget makes our lives easier, from the office to crafts. Let's get started. Once again, I used FREECAD to design all the parts. Once again, I printed all the parts at my Bambu X1C. Let's take a look at the parts of the dispenser. The first part is the left side part with SP-3D logo on it. The second part is the right side part. The third part is the bottom part. Next, the front part with DIY on it. The rear part is the fifth one. And this is the most important, the cutter of the tape. And the last one, the seventh, is the tape roller. Here are all the parts of the tape dispenser gathered. It's time to assemble it. As I assemble the tape dispenser, I want to tell you to stick around until the end of the video for something special. Towards the end, I'll show you the tape dispenser designed in FREECAD, diving into all the design details. Then, we'll head to Bambu Studio, where I'll explain key settings and specifics of 3D printing to show you how this project came to life. Finally, I'll share where you can find the STL file for free for the tape dispenser in case you want to download and print it on your own 3D printer. Don't miss it. After finishing the assembling, here is the final result. The tape dispenser is ready for use. Yeah, the cutter works perfect. It easily cuts the tape. The truth is, when I started this project, I was anxious about whether the plastic cutter could cut through the tape. Now here at FREECAD, we can see the tape dispenser fully designed. As you saw before, it consists of 7 parts. I used the sketch to design each one. Let's take a better look at the most important part, the tape cutter. And here is the way where the parts join each other. You will see it better when you print and assembled it. It took me some hours to finish this design. It is the most complicated one that I ever done, but many others will follow. Next, I will show you how I prepared the parts in order to print them. Now, at Bambu Studio, I have placed all the parts on the plate. In one print, all the parts will be printed. I need 3 PLA filaments on the AMS, a green, a white, and a black. Let's see it from below. All the outer and textured surfaces of the parts of the dispenser are placed to the plate. I use the textured PEI plate, and the results are great. I used tree auto support for only one part, the tape roller. I used 0.4 millimeter nozzle, 0.2 millimeter layer height. Ironing with 30% ironing flow. No brim needed with textured PEI plate. As we saw before at this video, the cutter works perfect. For better result, I could print it at a different plate with 0.2 millimeter nozzle. The whole print needs about 6 hours and 30 minutes. I have reduced accelerations from default settings. You can use the default setting to print it faster. The whole print needs 100 grammars of PLA. This is my account at makerworld.com. Here you can download the STL file of the tape dispenser for free, exactly as you saw it just before in Bambu Studio. At the description box of this video, you can find the direct link to the STL of the DIY tape dispenser. If you enjoyed this video of SP-3D YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell to stay updated with new content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. And if you loved it, share it with your friends. Thanks for the support, and see you in the next one.